Hello. Welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing same. Today's recipe is pasta. As you can see, look at how it look like. So guys, follow me. Let's get cooking. So this is the kind of pasta I'm using. I will add the tomato water, sprinkle some olive oil, salt. I will give it a quick stir and I will allow it to be there for 3 minutes. So the cooking length is 7 to 9 minutes. So I sieved it, I added some oil. This is the already made sauce that I am using. So I added some white pepper and I will add in my carrot and my onion and my courgette. So I will add the pasta. I will add in cooking cream. Check my channel out to see how I make that cooking cream. So I added some slime of the pasta water and I will stir together properly. For my returnees, thank you, my old and my new. Follow me on all social platforms. If you are new to the channel, give me a follow and turn your notification bell on so that when we upload, you will be notified. So I tasted the needed salt, so I added just a slime of salt. So at this place it is set. I'll add in my already cooked meat that I was having. I have corn, olive, bell pepper. So I'll stir and it's ready to be served. Follow me on our social platform. Lady B Varieties is the name. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. Check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So guys, steam for 1 second, ready to be enjoyed. Look at that. See you in my next video. Bye.